Here we are, Uniqlo on Fifth Avenue.
Yes, this is a good store for simple and comfortable clothes.
I always pass this store, but I never come in.
Really? It's a great store. You will like it.
I hope so. I'm not great at shopping for clothes.
Don't worry. I will help you choose.
Thanks for coming with me after work.
No problem. You have a big presentation next Monday, right?
Yes, next Monday morning, a new client.
So we need to find a nice outfit today.
Yes, my old clothes look boring now.
Uniqlo is a good choice. Simple, clean, and not expensive.
Yes, I like that style.
Look at the window. There is a sign.
Oh, wow. Buy two, get one free. Nice deal. Wait, how does that work exactly?
You pick 3 items and 1 is free.
But which one is free?
Good question. The first one, the last one, maybe the cheapest one?
Or maybe the most expensive one?
Let's go inside and ask.
Wow, so many clothes, so many choices.
Yes, Uniqlo is very organized.
I like it. Everything looks simple.
That's their style, minimal and clean.
I usually shop online, so this is fun.
In-store shopping is better for clothes. You can feel the fabric.
Yes, and try them on too.
Exactly. Let's go to the shirts section.
So many colors.
Here is the women's shirt section. What do you need?
Something simple for office wear.
Okay. Simple and professional.
Maybe a shirt and trousers?
Okay, let's check the materials first.
Look at this one. The label says 100% cotton.
Cotton is soft and comfortable. It feels soft on the skin.
And this one says 60% cotton, 40% polyester.
That's a polyester blend. Polyester does not shrink easily.
But cotton feels better.
Yes, cotton is more breathable.
Okay, I choose cotton.
Good choice. Now colors.
I like light colors. This light blue cotton shirt is nice.
Light blue is nice for meetings, and white is classic.
Yes, always safe. And this striped one looks smart.
3 good options: light blue, white, and striped. All 3 colors work for the office.
The price of light blue is $50.
This striped cotton shirt is $35 and white is $40.
So 3 different prices, and all are cotton. Perfect combination. Which one should I choose?
Why not all 3? 3 colors work for the office.
But I need to understand the deal.
Right. Buy 2, get 1 free.
So one shirt is free? But which one?
I think the cheapest one is free.
That makes sense. Okay, let me try them on. The fitting room is over there.
Right. I'll wait outside the fitting room.
Excuse me, where is the fitting room?
Right over there. How many items?
3 shirts.
That's fine. Let me count them with you.
Sure. 1, 2, 3.
3 items. 3 is fine. You can try up to 5 items.
Just 5 items?
Yes, our limit is 5. 5 items per person at one time.
I see. Good rule.
Yes, most stores have a similar rule.
Got it. Where do I go in?
Room number 2.
Thank you. By the way, do you have this in medium?
Let me check. One moment, please. Yes, here you go. A medium.
Great. Thanks.
You're welcome. Also, do you want slim fit or regular fit?
What's the difference?
Slim fit is closer to the body. Regular fit is more relaxed.
Regular fit is more comfortable for a long day.
Good choice. These are all regular fit.
Perfect. Let me try them on now.
Of course. Also, please leave the tags on.
Got it. I won't remove the tags.
Thank you.
Thanks for all the help.
You're very welcome. Take your time. I'll be at the front desk if you need anything.
How does this light blue shirt look?
It looks very good on you.
Really?
Yes, very clean and professional. I like it. The color is great on you.
Thanks. I trust your eye for fashion.
I mean it.
How about the fit around the shoulders?
The shoulders look perfect. Not tight, not loose.
And the chest?
Just right. The waist also looks good.
Great. Wait, let me try the white one.
Okay, I'll wait here. Take your time.
How about the white one?
A little tight in the chest.
Yes, I feel it too.
Maybe one size bigger?
Maybe. I try a large size.
Now it's still okay. Not too bad. The color is nice and clean.
Now the striped one. How about this one?
Oh, that one is great. Very smart.
The waist feels just right, not loose.
All three fit pretty well. Different feelings, though.
You know what? Cotton is so much more comfortable. You were right.
I told you cotton breathes.
Polyester would feel hot.
Yes, cotton is the right choice for a long meeting.
Okay, I want all three.
Great choice. Now let's check the deal.
Yes, let's confirm. Let me change back. Hello, I want to buy these 3 shirts.
Nice choices. Light blue, white, and striped. All cotton.
Yes, all in medium regular fit. And the buy 2 get 1 free deal applies.
Yes, it does. Let me explain.
Please, I want to understand the rule.
With this deal, the cheapest shirt is free.
Oh, the cheapest one. So the white shirt is $35 is free.
Yes, you pay for the light blue at $50 and the stripes at $40. Total is $90 before tax.
Got it. One more question. What's the return policy?
You have 30 days to return with the receipt.
30 days. Good. Should I keep the receipt?
Yes, please. No receipt, no return.
I'll keep it safe. Here is my card.
Thank you. Credit or debit?
Credit, please.
Okay, just put in the card and follow the screen.
Got it. Done.
Perfect. Would you like a paper bag or a plastic bag?
A paper bag, please. Better for the environment.
Good choice. Here's your bag and your receipt.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too.
That was a good shopping trip.
Yes, very successful.
I learned something new today.
Like what?
Buy 2, get 1 free means cheapest is free. I also learned fabric difference. Cotton versus polyester. Cotton is better for comfort.
Yes, especially for long meetings. Your presentation outfit is ready.
Yes, light blue for Monday, white for normal days.
And striped for meetings. Perfect planning. Let's get coffee now. My treat today.
Your treat? Why?
Because you saved money with the deal.
Okay.
Shopping is harder than I thought.
Yes, but also fun. I will shop more often now. Next time, I want to try jeans.
That's good. I will help you again.
Thanks, Sam.
Anytime, Anna.